आपने लेकिन ये सुन गए इतना आसान है इसलिए This is the question now. Who will be there? Who will be there in the hospital? Who will be there in the market? Who will be there in the stadium? Who will be there in the shop? Who will be there in the college? Who will be there on the roads? Who will be there at the bus station, at the railway station, at the airport? No. And what will he or she be doing now? For example, a shopkeeper will be there in the market. He will be selling his goods. No, you can say a pilot will be there at the airport. No, he will be getting ready for the flight. A teacher will be there in the classroom. He will be teaching the students. Please समझाइए. कौन समझे? हाँ जी. अब ये है मैंने इसलिए कहा था कि अगर आप ये होम करेंगे तो आसान होगा ये. इसे समझने के लिए. फिर शान आप बताइए.
होम से ये होता है. Doctor will be in the hospital.
Doctor will be there in the hospital.
Doctor will be there in the hospital, and he will be examining the.
He will be examining. He will be testing
or examining.
Okay. He will be checking the patients. For how long?
He will have been examining the patients since they
For how long? For how long?
For 20 minutes.
Since when?
Since the patients arrive.
Arrives. Patient है ये patients है.
Patients.
Since the patients arrive, you know, V1. Since he opens the clinic, since he reaches the clinic, since no the patient, some patient approaches him, consults him. बात नहीं है. ये थोड़ा सा चाहिए. V1. और here it's V1. मेरी अम्मी खाना पका रही होंगी. नो जब से मेरे अब्बू ने कहा होगा उस वक्त से पका रही होंगी. जब से गैस आई उस वक्त से पका रही होंगी. मेरे भाई टीवी देख रहे होंगे. कब से? जब से लाइट आई होगी. Since the light comes. मेरे अब्बू जो है ना वो ड्रामा देख रहे होंगे. जब से वो दफ्तर से लौटे होंगे. My father will be watching TV. My father will have been watching TV since he returns home. Since he returns home. From where? From his office. In his office. वो तो बड़ा आसान है. Since morning, since evening, no, फलां लेकिन ये एक चीज है. अब बताइए शाबाश. घर वाले बना लेते तो मुझे खुशी होती है. जी.
Students will be there.
The students. कैमरा रिकॉर्ड कर फिर एक बारी. हाँ जी.
The students will be there.
मुर्दा नहीं, गा पंजाबी नहीं. The students
will be there in the library.
Very in the library.
And they will be
consulting the books. Okay, for how long?
They will have been
consulting the books.
They will have been consulting the books for 1 hour.
For 1 hour. Gee, since when?
They will have been consulting the books since the librarian comes.
Very good. Since the librarian comes, opens the library. No, since the students enter the library now.
Yes.
Since they collect or borrow the books from the librarian. Since they enter. They are na students है ना. हाँ जी sir.
My daughter will be there in the home.
Very good. My daughter will be there at home. My daughter will be there at home. मेरी बेटी घर पे होगी. What will she be doing?
She will be playing with toys.
Very good. She will be playing with her toys. For how long?
She will have been playing with toys for 2 hours.
Very good. She will have been playing with her toys for 2 hours. Very good. 2 घंटे से वो खिलौनों के साथ खेल रही होगी. Very good sir. Since when?
She will have been playing with toys since she get up.
Very good. Since she gets up.
Yes.
Oh, module 1 आ गया. फिर F1. She will have been playing with her toys since she gets up. Clear? Since she finishes her breakfast or food. Since she takes or receives the toys from her mother. Since her mother gives her the toys. जब से अम्मी ने उन्हें उस बच्ची को खिलौने दिए होंगे उस वक्त से खेली होगी.
सर उन्हें हैज का.
अब वो बोला था इसलिए मैं बात करके आया हूँ. She will have it. हाँ.
Imam will be there in the mosque.
Very good. The Imam will be there in the mosque.
And he will be
He will be performing the ablution. wudu कर रहे होंगे भी.
And for how long? He will have been ablution for
He will have been performing ablution for
30 minutes.
for 30. इतना लंबा wudu.
For 10 minutes.
ये भी लंबा wudu. नबी का सुना. चलो for 5 minutes ठीक है जी. विश्वास करना है. जी.
And since people came,
Since the people came to come, give 1 minute.
come.
वो वुजू कर रहे होंगे जब से लोग आए होंगे. नहीं, लोगों ने कहता लोग वुजू करना.
Since prayer time is started.
Since the prayer time starts, very good. No. Since the caller finishes the call, जब से मुअज्जिन ने अज़ान खत्म की होगी, उस वक्त से वो वुजू कर रहे होंगे. No, since the prayer time starts, जब से वो नमाज का वक्त शुरू हुआ होगा, उस वक्त से वुजू कर रहे होंगे. अब सुनिए. हाँ जी.
My mother will be there in home.
At home. My mother will be there at home.
She
जी.
will be advising my brother.
She will be advising my brother.
She will have been advising my brother for 2 hours.
She will have been advising my brother for 2 hours.
She will have been advising my brother since he come back home.
Since he comes back home, since he makes a mistake, since he creates a problem, since he disobeys the elders, since she comes to know about his bad behavior, ill behavior, negative behavior, since she watches his negative behavior, since someone tells her, informs her about his mistakes, his mischiefs. Honey.
The observer will be there on the hill station. He will be observing the movement of leaves.
Very good. He will be observing the movements of
Leaves.
the
Leaves.
अच्छा leaves. ठीक है. हाँ जी.
He will have been observing.
Hmm.
He will be have the observing.
He will have the dog.
He will have been observing the movement of leaves for 2 hours.
2 hours.
He
Okay.
have been observing the movement of leaves since dawn.
Since
Dawn.
end to आ गया. Since dawn. Since morning. No, since the air blows. Since the air, जब से हवा चली होगी. Since the leaves start moving. Since the rain starts. जब से बारिश शुरू हुई होगी. Since the leaves start moving. जब से पत्तों ने मूव करना शुरू किया होगा. Since he sees them. Clear?
Since the wind kisses them.
Very good. Since the wind kisses them. Very good.
Since के बाद in the morning नहीं लगा.
नहीं बेटा, since morning. Since morning.
पहले बच्चे ने कुछ कहा तो आप वो in the mosque
नहीं मैं असल में सर कहता नहीं हूँ कि एक ही चप्पल मार अच्छे नहीं लगता. कोशिश होती है कि वो मैं उसकी सर तारीख सब थोड़ी बात मैंने नहीं कहा नहीं जैसे कि ऐसे बड़ा स्लिप ऑफ टंग होती बात ना. इसलिए मैं 3 दिन अभी मैंने कितने जुमले बनाए. ठीक है ना. एंड जी सर.
Sir, इसके क्वेश्चन है.
जी सर.